Hello guys, welcome to our channel Sights of Odisha. This is our second video on Science Park Museum in Bhubaneswar. In this video, we are going to tell about all the galleries present here. So stay tuned. This is our very first gallery, which is the Motion Gallery. Various types of pendulums, including simple pendulum, double pendulum, and Foucault pendulums, demonstrate the principles of harmonic motion, gravity, and even the rotation of Earth. Here you can see a crank rocker mechanism and the quick return mechanism. You can turn a crank by hand. To observe how the crank rocker mechanism works. As you rotate the crank, you can see the connected rod and rocker arm move, with one side moving more quickly and the other side moving slowly. You can see a large transparent chamber where a simulated tornado form right before your eyes. In this large transparent tank filled with water where a vortex can be generated. You can see the water swirls down into a center drain, creating a whirlpool or water vortex. This visually demonstrates how fluid dynamics work in forming a vortex. Here you can see the boy is trying to drop the object from different heights. This emphasizes that the vertical component of a projectile's motion is similar to that of a free-falling object. This is a replication of Sun, Earth, and Mars. Mars takes 687 Earth days to complete one full orbit around the Sun. This is Newton's first law, second law, and third law's description. These principles describes the relationship between the motion of an object and the forces acting on it. Here you can see a ball tracing the locus of a moving point based on a function. A function is already given here and you can see the ball tracing a parabolic path on the screen. Here you can see the transverse waves. It is designed to illustrate the behavior and properties of waves where the motion of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of the wave's propagation. This exhibit demonstrates total lunar eclipse. There are many other exhibits which you can see and experience yourself. And caution, here you can get a mild electric shock, as I got. This exhibit demonstrates the relative motion. Pull one end of the coil spring and then release. Observe that a wave pattern moves to the other end. In this wave motion, the wires of the spring move back and forward parallel to the direction of motion through a sense of alternate areas of compression and rarefaction. Such waves are called as longitudinal waves. From Science Gallery, we have come to Mathematics Gallery. Here you can learn things with a lot of fun. This is the history of numbers, from ancient number systems to modern arithmetic. This is a quiz room. You can select your language and then play the quiz of mathematics. There's a guide in the mathematics gallery who will help you to learn all the conversions, that is maybe from binary to decimal or decimal to binary, and will answer all your questions. Here he is teaching how to convert from decimal to binary.
8421 ଏତିକି ଭିତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 54ଟା ଯେଉଁଠି ସେଟ୍ ହେବ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା 32
अच्छा सेमती
ଏଇଟା ହେଲେ ବେଟର୍ ହେବ ଦେନ୍ 16 ଗଲେ ଆମର 48 ଦେନ୍ 4 ଆଇଲେ 52 ଦେନ୍ ଆଉ 2 ଆଇଲେ 54 ଇନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କେସ୍ ୱି କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଚେକ୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ମେକାନିଜିମ୍ଟାରେ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଭୁଲ ଯେଉଁ ଦେଖାଉଛି ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆୱାର ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ 32 16 48 ଚାରି 52 2 54 ଦେଖିବା ଆଉଥରେ ଏଇ ଜାଗାଟା ଏଇଟା ଆସିଯାଉଛି ମନକୁ ମନ ବୋଲେ
जीरो एंड हूँ दीटा को 1 थे 1 आसो नॉट सब जीरो को उल्टा कर दिए 1 और गेट हूँ कौटा भी गोटे 1 थे आंसर 1 आस तो जीरो जब मुझे 1 कली तभी 1 आसला जीरो अपोजिट 1 आउ ये जो गोटे भी 1 करदे तभी आंसर 0 आस Here you can learn and also play the quiz on modern mathematics. This exhibit shows the game of probability. There are many interactive stations where visitors can play the games, toss a coin, and play the games of probability. Sudoku, magic squares, and there are many more puzzles, tangrams, puzzle blocks, where you can develop your skills. Trigonometric functions, which are the fundamentals in mathematics, is the study of triangles and periodic phenomena. Here I was trying to arrange all the cubes so that I can get the answer of a plus b whole cube. This exhibit explores different geometric shapes like triangles, squares and circles, as well as 3D solids like cubes, spheres and pyramids. This exhibit shows the conversion of 2D model to a 3D model. How this half-structured exhibit shows a complete real human face. This exhibit shows that the area of circle is equal to the area of the rectangle. Still in doubt? Then watch this whole piece to know. Interactive games are simulations that allow visitors to explore concepts of chance, randomness, and probability. For example, the setup demonstrates the normal distribution. These are the 3D geometric pieces: pyramid, cubes, cuboid. And this was the abacus department. As I have learnt abacus, so the guide wanted to know more about it. Now this exhibit tells you your age. First you reset the buttons and then read the instructions carefully. It has 6 groups: A, B, C, D, E. Now, for example, take the age as 51. Search the 51 number in the A group. It is present there. So, press on yes. Then go for B. It is there. Then yes. In C, it isn't there. So, no. In D, it is also not there. So, no. In E, it is there, so yes. And in F, it is there, yes. And it showed 51. Now we have come to the most fun part of the gallery, that is the mirror gallery. This gallery is dedicated to exploring the science of reflection, optics, and symmetry. Mirrors have unique properties that make them perfect tools for demonstrating a variety of scientific concepts in visually engaging way. This is Mirror Ka Bhul Bhulaiya, a room lined with mirrors on all sides, creating the illusion of infinite space. The reflections of reflections make it seem like the room goes on forever, often enhanced with lights or objects placed inside. On your first go, you will see this Mona Lisa painting, but when you zoom, you can see different pictures. Now, these mirrors are totally fun. This is the game of tic-tac-toe, the cross and the circle game. So with this, we came to the end of our video. If you liked our description on Science Park, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.